Apples red and apples green, crunchy, juicy, fresh and clean. Pick them high or pick them low, take a bite and off you go. Oranges round and full of cheer, peel them quick, the juice is here. Squeeze them, sip them, feel so bright, sunny taste in morning light. Bananas yellow, soft and sweet, a monkey's favorite treat to eat. Peel it down and take a munch, great for breakfast, great for lunch. Strawberries with tiny seeds, plump and red among the leaves. Dip in cream or eat them plain, sweet and juicy in the rain. Grapes in purple, green and red, tiny, tasty, round and fed. Pop them in, 1, 2, 3, a fruity snack for you and me. Watermelons big and wide, pink and juicy, green outside. Slice them up on summer days, drippy smiles in sunshine rays. Mango golden, soft like silk, taste like honey, smooth as milk. Blend it, scoop it, take a slice, tropical and oh so nice. Fruit so tasty, fruit so bright, eating healthy feels just right. Every color, every kind, keeps you strong in heart and mind.